I want to introduce you to the Vesuvius Cowl. This is a relaunch of an older pattern and one that I really love knitting and really enjoy wearing, so that when we realized that the yarn that was originally used was discontinued, we went and found a good substitute that works well with it. So the yarn we've ended up using this time is our Stolen Stitches newer worsted. It uses just 3 skeins of yarn, and it's a really good pattern if you're a beginner, because of the fact that it teaches you how to knit in the round and how to do some basic cast on, bind offs, drop stitches and knits and purls. You've got quite a few techniques that you can practice, and the rounds are long enough that you get lots and lots of time to practice as you're going through. So I'll just pull this off. It's a double length one, so you can see this is the size of the cowl, and you're casting on all these stitches. So you've got a circular needle, nice long circular needle that you're working, and then you're going to go ahead and work your way along here where you have a series of purl rounds, drop stitch rounds, which is creates this really interesting effect, and then you'll bind off loosely at the end. Now, hopefully you are already in the course if you're watching this intro. If you are not on the course yet, then check down below for the description where you'll see a link to doing the course. And what the course will give you is it'll work you through all of the different techniques using different videos that we have up in YouTube, where you'll see how to cast on, how to join in the round, how to purl, how to knit, and how to do that drop stitch. So pattern's not too long, and it's just a really enjoyable project. If you're a more experienced knitter and you want a super fast project, then Vesuvius Cowl is the one for you. So get it on your needles, and if you're new to knitting and you want some help along the way, follow on through so that you can see all of the videos in this course. And happy knitting.